New at 5, the city of Flint trying to recover from a ransomware attack. The network outage began Wednesday morning, and TV5's Zane Omer joins us live with how it's impacting residents. Zane.
Meg, if you try to pay a bill or file a police report online, you may run into some issues as the city works to restore its network for both residents and its administration.
It's very disappointing that these individuals out here, they're using AI and all this information that we have that was really designed to advance populations across our world and our globe to interrupt government.
A criminal ransomware attack impacting operations at the city of Flint. City officials say disruptions with the internal network and internet started early Wednesday morning.
Once we reports of things in our system not being able to be functioning, emails, different things, just small things that alerted us, and then our IT team jumped into action and then alerted us that we had been infiltrated with some type of software.
Right now, the city can't receive online or credit card payments for water, sewer, and taxes. Instead, bills have to be paid by cash and check. Flint Mayor Sheldon Neely says you will not be penalized for not paying on time.
We're working through the working mechanisms of making sure people still can pay their bills by way of mail or by way of coming in.
Neely says emergency services like 911, dispatch, police, and fire operations are unaffected, but you may experience issues when trying to file or get a copy of police reports.
We generate reports using our computer-based systems. Those may be a level of delay there, but actually in an emergency response, we are not impacted, and we have minimized the level of any particular impact there in that space.
Right now, there's no timeline on when operations may be fully restored, but the city is working with cybersecurity experts along with state and federal agencies to understand what exactly happened and prevent another attack from happening again.
Through my tenure, we faced a world global pandemic, a neighborhood that exploded, financial crises, and we have overcame each and every one of these issues, and we're going to stay engaged until we make our way through this one as well.
Mayor Neely says it's still too early to tell if this cyber attack is related to the one that hit McLaren, but he tells me he's reached out to other entities that have dealt with similar attacks in the past. Reporting live in Flint, Zane Omer, WNEM TV 5.